Hello, my name is Dominic. I am the owner-operator of Elite Plumbing Services. We offer like flat rate service, we give you a price up front. There's always a good, better, and best, and so you're not stuck with here's this big, huge price, and then we have the top of the line stuff. So we pretty much can install anything. We're huge fans of Kohler for toilets. We're huge fans of Moen for faucets and fixtures, and we do specialize in tankless water heaters. We use the best parts. We have a van that's fully stocked. It's a large van. It's basically like a warehouse on wheels, like a plumbing warehouse on wheels, and very rarely do we have to leave to go pick up a random part, which actually saves time for everybody. We can actually service more customers, and we basically like to pride ourselves on saving time for our customers. Everything is guaranteed. I communicate very well with the customers. I explain to them in depth what is going to be done, how it's going to be done, payment process, and I go over it with them after the job is complete and make sure that at that time that I address any concerns. I treat people how I like to be treated, and I have a high standard. I feel like I give customers more than what they expect, and that's why they come back. So if you have any concerns or plumbing needs that you need addressed, please give me a call. We can come out and take a look at that at no charge and give you a price right there on the spot and be able to take care of you right then and there.